In this video, we're going to go over some of the more advanced features of the Form Factory computer-based procedure authoring tool. So I've already got a procedure that I've loaded, and it has lots of steps, and I've already indented them and got them numbered the way I want. So if we want to do some more stuff, we can do things like bold and italicize and change the format of some of the text. So you can do that over here in the text editor. So if you wanted to make the word record bold, you could do that. You could make it italics, all the standard stuff you would normally do. You could even make a bulleted list or a numbered list. So in this example, I've got, for my Word document, some data sheet that applies to this step. So at step 10.1, I want the user to collect the coupling location, the VH number, the calibration due date, and give them an opportunity to record some notes. So we can add these as fields into step 10.1 back over here in the computer-based procedure authoring tool. So if I click add field here, we can then change the field type. So there are many different field types that you can choose from. So in this case, I just want a small text field, and I'm going to call this, let's refer back here, the coupling location. So that's all I need to do to add a field. So that will, when someone executes this procedure, it's going to put an input box there for them to type in the coupling location. So it's by default, it's not required, but I could check this box to make it required. So I can carry on and add other fields in the same way. So if I wanted to add another one for VH number, I can do that. And we can make that a text field, or if I want to have them actually put in a number, I can make it a numeric field. We can make that required too. And finally, I think we need a due date. And we'll make that required, and place for comments. So we'll make the comments a big text field. There we go. So now we have all the stuff from here. So we got the coupling number, VH number, the calibration due date, and the notes, all as a part of 10.1. So you could do that under 10.2 if you had another set. So this one I've got a VH number again. So I think that makes a lot of sense. A couple other things to talk about here. There's many other field types. So you can have select fields, like if it's just a list of values. You can have multi-selects where it's a list of values and they can choose multiple. You can have them add an attachment. You can have them input a signature. So let me just move this up a little bit. So an attachment, that could be a picture or it could just be a file. Lots of different options here. So that's dealing with fields and some advanced opportunities that you have with the Form Factory to deal with collecting data from users.